Welcome to Premath. In this video tutorial, we are going to solve this given rational equation. So before we get started, let's focus on the denominators. First, this denominator on the left hand side, and we can see that this could be factored out. I can write x plus 1 on the top, same, divided by x could be factored out, so I can write x plus 7. So far so good. Plus, likewise, x plus 2, we are not going to mess with that one. And at the denominator, this part, x squared minus 3x, we can see that x could be easily factored out. So x minus 3 is going to be in the parentheses. And on the right hand side, x is going to stay on the top. And we have a quadratic at the denominator, which could be easily factored out. So the possible factors are going to be x plus 7 and x minus 3. So far so good. And this, our next step, is really crucial. Let's look at the denominator. We got x over here and we have x over here as well. I am just going to write down x just once. And now let's focus on x plus 7 factor, and we have another x plus 7 factor. So I am going to write it down just once, x plus 7. And finally we got another factor is x minus 3, and we got x minus 3 over here as well. So I am going to write down x minus 3 just once. So therefore our least common denominator, or sometimes we call it least common multiple, turns out to be x times x plus 7 times x minus 3. And now we are going to multiply whatever this least common denominator across the board. I'm going to multiply with each and every fraction. Let's go ahead and do that one. X times x plus 7 times x minus 3. Likewise, x times x plus 7 times x minus 3. And finally, x times x plus 7 times x minus 3. And now we can see that this x cancels out with this x, and this x plus 7 is gone with this x plus 7. So we ended up with x plus 1 times x minus 3 plus, likewise over here, this x is gone with this x minus 3 is gone with this x minus 3. So we got x plus 2 times x plus 7 equals to, on the right hand side, we can see that this x plus 7 is gone with this x plus 7. This x minus 3 is cancelled out with this x minus 3. So we are left with x times x on the right hand side. Now we are going to go ahead and multiply these two parentheses, and we're going to use the FOIL method. All right. So x times x is going to be x squared minus 3x. Likewise, we're going to multiply this way around. So that's going to give us 1x minus 3. Likewise, we are going to use the FOIL method over here as well. That's going to give us plus x squared plus 7x plus 2x plus 14 equals to x times x is going to give us x squared. And now we are going to combine the like terms on the left hand side, and if we combine everything, we're going to get 2x squared and then plus 7x plus 11 on the left hand side. And if I move this x squared on the left hand side as well, it's going to become negative x squared equal to 0. And simply we are going to get 2x squared minus x squared is going to give us x squared plus 7x plus 11 equal to 0, and this is our quadratic equation. And now we are going to solve this quadratic equation by using this quadratic formula, as you can see on the right hand side. So we need to figure out A, B, and C. For that reason, we are going to compare this our quadratic equation with this standard form. If we compare these two equations, we can see that our A is going to be 1, B equal to 7, and C is going to be 11. A is 1, B is 7, and C is 11. And here is our quadratic formula. Let's fill in the blanks. So x equal to minus, and then b is 7 plus minus the square root of 7 square minus 4 times a is 1, c is 11, divided by 2 times 1. Let's simplify furthermore. So negative 7 plus or minus square root of 49 minus 44 divided by 2. Now let's move on to the right hand side, as we are running out of space on the left hand side. So that is going to give us x equal to negative 7 plus or minus square root of 5 divided by 2. And now we are going to split these signs, positive and negative. So one of our solution is going to be x equal to negative 7 plus square root of 5 divided by 2, and the other one is going to be x equal to negative 7 minus square root of 5 divided by 2, one with a positive sign and one with a negative sign. So thus our solution set turns out to be right up here, and that is our final answer. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos. Bye.